Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Jules Street. Today is a very special video because I'm going to be sharing some of the luxury beauty holiday sets that I have picked up for this season. So I figured I might as well show what I got. So the first holiday set is the Dior The Beauty Ritual gift set. I just want to say how gorgeous is this holiday packaging this year. It's so festive, it's so beautiful. And so let's take a look and see here. Now this is a navy blue velvety pouch. It's so beautiful. I bought a similar set to this last year and I've used the pouch. I don't know where it is right now, but these pouches come in so handy for travel. I don't know what this is, some cardboard. And they're very pretty, very useful, very chic. And even the zips, as you see, they're actually plastic wrapped, which is a nice little touch to make sure, you know, that you're getting zip pulls that are scratch free. All right, so the product comes in this right here. It's wrapped nicely. Ooh. Look at how cute this mini. I actually think this is a larger size mini. Hold on, let me get you the standard mini. So this is a mini I've gotten as a gift with purchase, and this is the mini that comes in the set. Well, this is wider and this is taller, so let's just check and see. Actually, believe it or not, I just checked to see, and they are both 5 milliliters. It's just the shape of the bottle that's different. It has a lovely little festive fabric silver bow. Super cute, very special if you collect little fragrance minis like these. And another sample that comes in the set is the Capture Total Serum. I've never tried this one actually. Not sure if it's any good, but it's nice that it's in there. Of course, the main events and the whole reason to purchase the set, in my opinion, is the lip maximizer and the lip balm. So this one here is the shade 001 Pink, and I think normally all of their sets include like the basic 001 pink shades, and this is such a pretty one. I actually have one of these. I think it's an older model, but it's iconic. It's a beautiful product and beautiful packaging. Highly recommend this lip gloss if you are into luxury beauty and if you like the brand Dior. Very nice. And then last but not least is the Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm that also comes in this set. And again, it's in the shade 001 Pink. It's really pretty. It's a beautiful lip balm. Is it super necessary? No, of course not. There are definitely more affordable lip balms out there. However, if you do like Dior, if you do like luxury beauty, this is also a must-have. Very, very pretty. Love the packaging as well. So this is what comes in the Beauty Ritual gift set, and I believe it's $85. Overall, I'm always impressed with their gift sets. They're very beautifully presented and they include classics like these two. Next up, we have these elusive Chanel beauty sets. I got 2 different sets. And so I had got the Always Brilliant Lip Gloss Trio and the Easy Come Easy Glow makeup set. I actually have a rendition of this one from a previous year. So let's take a look and open this one up. All right, so let's remove the bow. So it comes with 3 lip glosses, and I'll pop up the price as well. And similar to the Dior set, this comes, ooh, wow, in a really beautiful fabric pouch. This one has a bit more structure than the Dior one. It's very, very festive, very wintry, very pretty. So let's open this up. Ooh, okay. So here are the 3 lip glosses that come in this set. So 119, which is Bourgeoisie, 712, which is Melted Honey, and then 722 is Noche Moscata, I think is how you would say that. Not sure. So actually this is the previous year's, or maybe it was 2 years ago. This is the older one. So as you can see, it's a little different. The Chanel is actually an applique, I think, on this one, versus here I believe it's embossed or something like that. I'm not sure if you can see the difference there, but actually both very pretty, but this, I think I like this one, this newer one a bit more. Perfect for travel. Yeah. So this is Noche Moscata. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. This one is Melted Honey. Ooh, now that's such a pretty shade. Wow. And then this one is Bourgeoisie. So, let's see what color this is. Ooh, super pretty. I like the sparkles in here. So overall, it's a really pretty trio, I would say, and it's a decent different amount of change. I really am very curious about this Melted Honey. It's so pretty in the container. This is the lip gloss trio set. I feel like it's a pretty good value, especially if you're a lip gloss lover, you like luxury beauty, you like Chanel. All right, and next up we have this set right here, which is the Easy Come, Easy Glow makeup set. This one is very exciting because I don't have any of the products that are in here. Let's see. And it is the white tweed bag, which is a nice change. I don't have this color. So pretty. Wow. How gorgeous is that bag? So this is the navy bag, and then this is the cream white kind of bag. Also, I love how soft these are. Very different from the other previous year's version. So this set comes with 2 full-size products. This is the Balm Essential Multi-Use Glow Stick Transparent Balm. I have a blush in this shade. It's so cute on the packaging. It shows you where you can put it. It's basically like an illuminator, I think. Love their like balm stick packaging. It's substantial. It's pretty. It's transparent, so it really will just add that pretty glow. I don't know if the camera's focusing or not, but it adds a little bit of healthy glow and shine here. Very pretty. And just as a comparison for you to see, so this is the shade 01, and then this is the blush version of it, and this is blush number 23. I seriously love this so much. Blush, and it blends so beautifully on the skin. See, I've blended it in with the other product. It's so natural looking. It's just such a pretty blush. And again, I love this packaging that it comes in. It's very convenient, very substantial, and it just feels luxurious to use. Very excited that this translucent version came in, because sometimes when you want to highlight, you don't want it to be sparkly, so this is perfect. And then this is the other thing that came in this set, and it's the 914 tinted lip balm in Natural Charm. I don't think I've ever tried a lip balm from Chanel before, so I figured this was the perfect set. And ooh, I love this white packaging. Such a pretty color. Such a pretty natural flush color. This is so pretty. I love this packaging. Classic CC on the front. I think I would recommend this one over this set, unless of course you don't have any Chanel lip glosses and you've always wanted to try them. They're very beautiful formula. Then I would recommend this set. But that's it for the Chanel sets. Last but not least, I picked up this little set from Gucci Beauty. I think I got this at Ulta, and ta-da, maybe it's not what you expected, but it is a bunch of miniature perfumes. I collect these little, me and my mother actually, we collect these little mini perfumes, so I thought this was a really beautiful set. It has these 2 Gucci Flora ones. I've never seen a Gucci Guilty mini perfume like this, and I also don't have a good, actually have a full size of this, but this is also really cute. And I love that these are so perfect for traveling, in my opinion. And they're also a lot more luxurious than those little like spray bottles and like travel size sprays. They are dabbers, so do keep that in mind if you're interested in this type of thing. But from a collector's perspective, I really like these things like this. And I love how it comes in such a beautiful little box. I hope you enjoyed this overview, and let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.